What's up, Team DMS? It's the Master Stylist, and I am back with another video. Today's video is a relaxer and a color. I'm going to redo her color, change it. She did get a relaxer, so we are not going to lighten her hair but one time, and we're going to go from there. So I used a magenta and I mixed it with white from Influence, so to make it a little brighter. But baby, when I tell you this hair is neon, and if you can see on her ends look purple. So we were going to just cut all of the ends off, but it actually kind of ended up being kind of cool, and due to the fact that it's breast cancer and domestic violence awareness month, which is purple and pink. So we're gonna cut the purple off the sides, but on the top we're actually gonna leave some of it because it actually was like pretty dope. It was like one of those accidents that kind of worked out. So we're gonna leave it like that. I think I like the way well, I know I like the way that it turned out. So right now what I'm doing is just giving her a full haircut, and if you guys want to see how that goes, just continue watching this video.
Team DMS. Team DMS. Team DMS. Team DMS. Team DMS.
So I did cut her hair dry, so I'm just taking some water right now and spraying all over her hair to get the hair nice and saturated and ready for molding. Now I'm using Mint foam, of course, and I'm just going to put that all around her sides. Now I was going to give her a flat mold, but then I was like, let me just do my little wave thing. But I'm not going to curl it the same way that I usually curl it, which is each curl goes in the direction of the wave. This way, it's different, and I'll like explain once I start styling. Sorry, y'all. I'll explain once I start styling. So right now we're just gonna do some finger waves all over. They're not in a particular way. They're not in order. They're not connected. They're just there.
Team DMS.
So she is dry, and I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning up the back of her hair and actually just preparing her hair for me to curl it. Right now, I'm just putting some bio silk on her hair. Now this is the H2 Pro Micro Iron. I do have a link to that in the description box. If you just look out, oh God, what the hell? If you just look for my Amazon store, it'll be there. It was like $169, but I think it may be a little cheaper now. It is one of my go-to irons, especially when I'm dealing with extremely short hair. I like it. I've had it for about 3 years now, and I like it. No, maybe 2 years.
Team DMS. Team DMS.
Now this is the Main Life Collection flat iron. This flat iron is sold out. I am waiting on a new shipment in and everything. So just guys, stay tuned for that. If you haven't already signed up for my email list, I do have a link to that in the description box below as well. Sorry, y'all, my voice is like going. And I'll be sending out emails and stuff when I get the new shipment in.
Me twice.
Team DMS.
So guys, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get future notifications. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you again for the next video.